We're back. We're gonna do a burping contest. Round one. I won round one. Round two. I won round two. I wasn't done yet. Round three. I won round three. Round four. I won round five.
You started it, Wait, second cheater.
No, that's the fifth.
No, I show you one.
That's not a cheater. That's what you're supposed to do.
Ooh. Chris, show him the dance part. No, show him the one.
No.
Yeah. He gets kicked in the butt.
I won all the rounds. Okay, bye.